Hello there, I'm here to show you how to solve using cosine law. Our given are a is equals to 5, b is equals to 7, and gamma is equals to 44 degrees. As we can see, there are two sides and one angle, so we'll use cosine law. The formula for cosine law solving c is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine gamma. Let's transpose, so c squared is equals to 5 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 5 times 7 cosine 44 degrees. 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49, 2 times 5 times 7 is 70. 25 plus 49 is 74. Now we'll use calculator to solve this. So c squared is equals to 23.65. c is squared, so c is equals to square root of 23.65. So c is equals to 4.86. Now we have here our c. We can now solve for alpha. In solving alpha, we'll use sine law. Sine law is sine alpha over a is equals to sine beta over b is equals to sine gamma over c. We have here our side c and gamma. So we'll use that to get alpha. Okay, so sine 44 degrees over 4.86 is equals to sine alpha over 5. Cross multiply, so 5 sine 44 is equals to 4.86 sine alpha. Now, let's divide both sides by 4.86. Then, let's solve in calculator. 5 sine 44 divided by 4.86. So, sine alpha is equals to 0.7147. Then, alpha is equals to sine raised to negative 1 times 0.7147. That's now alpha is equals to 45.62. Now we have here our alpha and gamma. We can now get beta by using this formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 180 degrees. Alpha is 45.62 plus beta is missing plus gamma is 44 equals 180. So beta is equals to 180 minus 45.62 plus 44. The answer would be beta is 90.38 degrees. That's all, guys. Thank you. I hope you understand.